Restoring order. Understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, restoring order. This phrase is widely used in various contexts, and understanding it can greatly enhance your English comprehension and expression. So, let's dive in. Restoring order refers to the process of bringing back stability or organization to a situation that has become chaotic or disorganized. It's often used in scenarios where there has been some kind of disruption, and there's a need to return to a normal or more controlled state. The word restore implies returning something to its original condition. 1. In society, when there's unrest or disruption in a community, government or law enforcement might take steps to restore order. This means reducing chaos, ensuring public safety, and re-establishing normal functioning. 2. In personal life, you can use it in a personal context, like organizing a cluttered room or managing a hectic schedule. Restoring order in this sense means organizing your space or time to make it more efficient and less chaotic. 3. In business, in a business setting, restoring order might involve restructuring a company, managing a crisis, or implementing new systems to improve efficiency and productivity. 1. After the festival, the city council took swift action in restoring order to the downtown area. 2. The new manager is great at restoring order in the workplace. Everything's more organized now. 3. Following the storm, efforts were focused on restoring order and providing aid to affected residents. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of restoring order. It's a versatile phrase that you can use in various contexts, from personal to professional. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using it like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.